follow them. I don't follow like that devil, nigga, get the fuck out of here. Man, I ain't all about them M's, I'm about my mind, I'm about my time, don't waste this shit. Nigga ain't got no patience, bitch. Nigga, come around here, I can see if you on some faking shit. So don't come around me faking, cause I don't play with the fakest, nigga. I hang with them real boys. You ain't gotta ask them is they realer. They gon' show you real shit. They gon' show you that they gorilla. Banana clips in them K's, but we talking about M's. Let's get back to them, my nigga. Rob you for them M's. Hey nigga, talking about them. Hey nigga, listening in. Cause what we finna find in that house is a M.
Them M's, yeah, they at them M's. The M's mean the millions. That M mean that mill shit, that kill shit, that real shit. These niggas out here stealing, they'll get you for what you got if you don't be on your shit for real. Niggas out here ill, they'll rob they homeboy and go back to the hood like everything was good. Yeah, that's how that beef shit get sparking. That nigga walk up on you and you know that nigga barking. He barking, he pulling up that 40 Glock, he busting. Niggas out here playing, but QB, I ain't fussing. I ain't tryna go there with these pussy niggas, cause if I have to go there, I'm killing these niggas on sight, lyrically, physically. If you wanna take it there, homeboy, come see me. Yeah, we chillin' in the back on some real shit. We some real niggas. And I click real tight. Not too many niggas, cause that shit ain't right. But QB up on the beat, so you know that it's tight. Yeah.